Oscar's Rocking Eagle. Please watch your step as you walk carefully to the row of your choice. There should be no more than 4 guests per row. Once seated, pull down on the lap bar. For your safety, please secure all loose articles. During your ride, please remain sitting upright, facing forward with your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the ride at all times.
So do you?
You have to. Everybody gets on.
Come on, face.
Sanitize your hands before and after your ride.
Watch it, it's gonna be fun.
Enjoy your day at SeaWorld.
It's gonna be fun. No. Sit right here, my leg. Ow! Ow! An ant bit me. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, lock it. Lock it. We have to. Oh, no, you have to sit him down. It's not gonna lock. It's fine. Move forward. Put my hand if you're scared. Look, put my hand in. Come on, we're in this together. We're in this together.
Now hold on tight and enjoy rocking through the seas with Oscar.
See? It's not scary. Look. See? Like it? Woo! That's it? Hey, Dad, you remember for the birthday party what we did? What you did? Do it, David. Go, your turn.
1, 2, 3. Right?
Wait, on the kids left the line. Yeah, we did it!
He was scared of the boat ride too.
We faced our fear!
Woo, 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 woo! I was just starting to get really sick.
Please remain seated till the ride comes to a complete stop. Thank you for
Facing
riding
our
Oscar's
fear!
Rocking Eagle. And
Good job,
remember,
Rudy.
all work and
Yeah,
no play
yeah.
keeps Oscar around.
Tell Daddy you face your fear.
Don't tell anybody, but that
Tell me how you face your fear.
Hands up.
All right, now we go get stroller.
don't throw your trash